Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about two of America's favorite things. One of them are popcorn, and the other one are Air Force Ones. So Nike decided to do a collaboration that was inspired by popcorn. So you know I had to get the shoe and bring it to the channel. But before we do that, I'm gonna need for you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And also be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. Y'all hungry? Let's get into the shoe. Here you guys go. Nike Air Force One popcorn. Let's get straight into the shoe. As you guys can see, the shoe is primarily leather all over the shoe. The color on here is not beige, it's not like a light tan, anything like that. It's called coconut milk. The leather on here is extremely premium. You know, these come in a black box, but now Nike is doing the white box thing. This particular shoe came in a white box. So you know I'm gonna show you guys the box also. So right here on the toe box you have leather coconut milk here. On the outside of the toe box you have tumble leather coconut. Top of the toe box right here you have tumble leather coconut milk, and then you have a white mesh tongue with white laces with the gold tips. You guys can check out the gold tips. On the top of the tongue you have a Nike logo with the inspired popcorn logo there. You guys slide over here, you have more of the coconut milk leather here. You have a white tumble leather swoosh here. You have a keychain here. We usually use these for keychains. It's like popcorn, you know, it's made out of popcorn metal. You slide over here to the back, you have a Nike logo written in red with the white back with the coconut milk behind it. Slide over here, you have more of the coconut milk leather here, and this leather feels really premium, man. These came in, like I mentioned, they came in a white box, you know, which took the place of the black box for this particular shoe. And these are really good, man. I like the material, I like the feel, I like that OG feel come with it, man. Everything feels and looks good. Yeah, man, I think Nike got this right, man. You got the coconut milk sole here. Like I mentioned in other videos, I don't like all white soles, so for them to put the coconut milk color sole here, man, made this shoe pop. Another big call out on this shoe right here, fresh since '82. You know, that's when the Air Force One first was debuted by Nike. These are fire. These are fire. It even has a sole. It even has a sole with the popcorn all over the sole with the Nike swoosh. You know, the Air Force One sole. You know, man, I think Nike did a great job with this material and this color, man. This color may be hard to find, you know, hard to match up, man, but I think Nike got it right with bringing this OG feel back in this shoe. And just everything that comes with it, man. You got the gold tip on the laces, you got the gold popcorn here. You know, the only thing that's missing is the Dubré. If you guys know what a Dubré is, on the Air Force One back in the days, used to have the thing right here that said Nike or 82 on it or something like that, you know. So yeah, man, this shoe is fire. I like these, man. You know, I had to jump on these ASAP. As soon as I knew they was dropping, shout out to my man Chris. He knew where to find them, picked them up, walked straight in, walked straight out. It wasn't a crazy release, so I'm thinking that, you know, a lot of people slept on them, man, but I couldn't sleep on them. I needed them, man. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys think these are trash or this your typical Air Force One or whatever the case may be, let me know what you guys think. But I like them, man. And y'all know what time it is. It's time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I'm gonna have to keep it all the way true. And I'm giving these 4.5 out of 5 pennies. The color matches, is going into the spring, summertime, so the color's good. You know, Air Force Ones is one of my favorite silhouettes. And you know, they got that coconut sole, man. You know, they could have threw any sole on here they want to. They could have do a gun bottom sole that would have popped. But I think the coconut milk sole did it, man. I know y'all tired of me keep saying coconut milk, but this is the color. That's the color that's on the box, so I gotta let you guys know. Let me know what you guys think. If my rating is too high, let me know. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.